is a severe thunderstorm warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Buffalo County, northern Hall County, southeastern Howard County, western Merrick County, until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles southwest of CAIRO, or 17 miles west of Grand Island, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include north side of Grand Island, BOELUS, CAIRO, DANNEBROG, St. LIBORY, St. Paul, Cushing, Palmer, and Darkshire. This storm has exhibited some weak rotation. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Buffalo, Hull, Howard, and Merrick.